Hey guys, guess what time it is? That's right, it's Spirit Time with Angel. And today we're gonna get this look. It is the fire emoji, fire lit summer 2018 shiznits look. I have been gone for a very long time. I will admit that. I will admit that. I will not be taking any questions or comments about that. I know I've been gone for like a month, but don't question me about it. I've been going through things. I have a life too. I got a job, by the way, but that doesn't, I mean, who cares about that, right? Not me, because I mean, well, obviously you guys don't. No one does, because no one has congratulated me on that, but that's fine too. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna intro the video. This is the video. Hope you guys like it. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get into the video before this intro gets too long, because it has already gotten too long and I'm so sorry. And yeah, okay, bye. First, she looks rough. We're going to take Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF thing, you know, foundation. And this is in color vanilla. I don't know why it's vanilla, because like it doesn't look vanilla, you know. But we're just gonna put like a couple dots, and then we're just gonna blend into our skin so effortlessly and beautifully. Next, we're skipping concealer because I don't wear concealer anymore, because I just don't. We're gonna go back to, not going back, we're going to go to Airspun Loose Face Powder. This is a naturally neutral, and we're just gonna open it. Be careful, because there's powder everywhere. It's disgusting. I'm gonna take the, not even a beauty blender, but you know, and we're just gonna go under the eyes, and you just kind of wanna just, you know. By the way, you want to do this to your whole face, all of it, not just here, but just the whole face area, and except for the eyebrows, obviously, because it's not here. After that, I want to go into the Sephora foundation. This is in shade 26 Neutral Sand, and you just want to go under the under eyes like so, and then this, and then on the forehead, on the bridge of the nose, on the chin, and then you just kind of want to go just everywhere else. This is like one of the best foundations powders that I've ever received in my Sephora box play. Something that I like to do is go to the Shade and Light, wow, Naked Skin Shapeshifter by Urban Decay, and we will go into the bronzy shade right here. And what you want to do, tap off the axis, and you just want to press in the bronzer. You don't want to necessarily like do this like how you do with the contour. You just want to push in the bronzer so that you look sun-kissed, even though you probably are, because it's the summer. You probably already are sun-kissed. This might just not look cute right now, but just trust me, it's gonna look really cute when you do it. So do it. Then of course, you guessed it, this contour shade right here. Just wanna do circle-y motions ever so softly. You wanna hold the brush from the end, not right here, because then you'll have a very harsh line. So just go circle-y motions and back and forth to do the perfect contour, because you're perfect if you have the perfect contour. So then you want to take both of the two colors that you contoured and bronzed with, and you want to go down the bridge of your nose. You just want to contour your nose. Well, I mean, this is optional, but this is what I personally like to do. I like to contour my nose, so that's what I'm gonna do. I hope you guys follow along If not, I mean, then why are you watching? You know, like, this is a tutorial, so, like, you kind of have to do it. But, like, I mean, it's a free country. Don't do it if you don't want to, I guess. Don't forget to cut the contour. So just use, like, a white powder, like how I am. And you kind of just want to cut the contour. Just like that. I'm gonna go to the nose and then go all the way down, like so. Your smile lines. Good. Now that you're baking at 350 degrees, you want to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit in gradient, and you want to use this coral color, however you say coral. You just want to just kind of lightly press in. I like to press in my powders, if you haven't noticed. I just find that it lasts longer and it looks more natural on the skin instead of just, you know, brushing it on. I find that it helps last longer and just looks more cute, you know, because that's what I'm trying to do. Because under all this, well, I mean, you want to take off the baking of the nose. I don't like to bake for that long, honestly, because, like, you just cry anyway and then it comes off, so it's like there's no point. But anyway, we're gonna take these two colors in the blush kit and you just want to stipple it. This is like the best brush I could use for this. It's called the small stipple brush, so from e.l.f. I don't have a code with them because your girl only has, like, what, 1 subscriber. After that, I like to take the Nyx Eyebrow Marker, but we're not using it for marketing. Oh, no, we're not. We're using it to put on freckles. I do have naturally freckles, but I cover them up with my foundation. So I just kind of just go back and put on my freckles that I already have, but they're not as much freckles. They're just kind of like, you know. After, I will take a beauty sponge and I will just kind of blend it all in to make it very natural looking, because it can get very artificial flavor, if you know what I mean. Now that our eyes are primed and all that shiznits, we can go into the Morphe 35O palette. Yes, we're gonna be basic and use this palette because it's one of my favorite palettes. Take the white shade, put it all on the eyelid, and then just brush it and blend it out like so, just so we have a good base. Okay, so next we're going to use the Morphe 35B palette. We're going to go right into it and take this orangey yellow, more orangey shade, huh? I'm just going to pick it up a lot because we can. And you just want to put it directly in the inner corner, and you just really want to build up that color. This is going to take a while, and yeah, just build up the color, put it directly in your crease. Don't worry about the time, just really focus on your blending skills and make sure that it looks really pretty. Now that we've done that, we can go back to the Morphe 35O and we can take this yellow. It looks yellow, but on camera it doesn't. I don't know. It's just a yellow shade, and we're just gonna put it in the same place that we put the other eyeshadow, just to intensify. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, stop. I'm just trying to, do this, the same thing that we were doing, just adding more color because we love a colorful queen. Am I right? And next we can go into this shade right here. It's just like an orangey, very orangey shade. And we just kind of want to just go directly in the crease area. This, just, go directly in the crease. Make it as yellow, orangey, sunset vibes as possible. Basically, is what I'm trying to do, So we're just trying to do that. And yeah, I hope like you're following pretty well. I hope I'm giving good instructions, because I'm not a good instructionist, as you can see. I'm just, just me chilling, but hopefully you're following goodly. Oh my god, so like, hi. So like, okay, I want to take this color right here. It's like a deep dark red color, and I just want to cut the crease with that. You'll see, just like cut over your crease. That's not really doing much. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna pick it up and just, there we go. Now I see the color, and we just kind of want to go over the crease, okay? And then we're gonna cut the crease with concealer. So just kind of build up the intensity. You know what word I'm trying to say, with red color, with this red vibrant color. And then we'll cut the crease, but make sure to cut the crease. Now, if you ever feel like you're losing the color, which I feel like I am, I'll just go back in with the colors, and I'll just go and blend it all together again. Did you hear my voice crack? It sounded so ugly. Oh my god, why am I so ugly? Next, we're gonna cut the crease. If you don't know how to cut the crease, you're gonna learn today. We're gonna take NYX Light Pale Concealer. We're gonna take the tiniest brush, and we're just gonna go above the crease with it ever so softly. And yeah, so like this is kind of where I want to cut the crease. You just kind of want to just go along with it. Kind of want to elongate it, TBH. That's what we're gonna do, and just follow these steps, and then I promise we'll become America's Next Top Model. Look something like this, basically. Make sure to put white eyeshadow directly on where you cut the base. I already did. I'm just kind of just going over everything. But make sure to put white eyeshadow. Doesn't matter what kind of white eyeshadow. Just make sure you put it on as soon as you lay it down, so that there's no creases or anything like that. Now that our eyes are cute, I'm just gonna wipe off the baking that we have done, and so they can just, like be off, because I'm kind of tired of seeing it on my face. And then we're gonna use e.l.f. eyeliner. It's probably the best eyeliner. Like we're just gonna like do a line, and then we're just gonna elongate it with the crease area. You'll see right now. Next, we're gonna do mascara. Now that everything is done, I didn't put on lashes because like I don't need to, because I'm going to church. I'm not going to like an event. I'm just gonna take the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter. We're gonna take this highlight cream. It's like the best. So we're just gonna put it right here, and this is just like gonna make it, this is gonna enhance the highlight so much. And then we're just gonna take it right here. Someone on Instagram is talking to me. I don't know who it is, but anyway, we can put it right here too. And then we can take the Babe in Paradise by Bretman Rock and Morphe, and we can just take this yellow shade. Yeah, yellow. This is not yellow, but I mean, okay. And then you just kind of want to just put it like and you know, just enhancing. Then you want to take the last two colors. This is what I love to do. I love to put it right here. It makes your nose very sun-kissed, very anime, very cartoony like. Then for my lips, we're gonna take this is a Lottie Deluxe lip liner. This is in color Toast. And then we're gonna take ColourPop's Lip Ultra Matte. This is in color Mama. Was that just me, or did that take like 0.2 seconds? I don't know. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Wow, I like it. It's very cute. Oh my god. Okay, so anyway, this is the Sunset Fantasy Fire emoji that you've always wanted. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. You can follow me on all my social medias. All the links will be down below. Make sure to be my friend. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, all of that shiznits. I'm very active on all of them all the time, so just make sure to hit me up. I'll respond. Don't worry, I love talking to people because people are amazing, and I hope I look as pretty as I do on, you know, my mirror. I don't know, it looks good. I hope it looks good. I mean, I just remember, makeup comes off at the end of the day, but your heart stays the same. I love you guys so much. Goodbye.